Coming up on Cooking with Adam tonight, we'll be making orange garlic shrimp with bok choy and rice. Stay tuned. Just a few things before we get started. As always, if you need the recipe guide, step-by-step instructions, check the description. There's a link to the website. You can follow step by step. The ingredients are also listed in the description now. A lot have asked about that, so it's there. If you want to try out a special trial for Home Chef, that's the guys who are sponsoring this video. There's a link in the description and on the website as well. And finally, if you need any cooking tools that I use in this or any of the other videos, there's a link there in the description and on the website as well. I'd like to ask, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video as well as all my other videos, please smash that like button. So with that said, let's get cooking. Alright, ladies and germs, here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have 2 green onions. We have 3/4 cup of jasmine rice. We have 3 ounces of matchstick carrots. We have 2 heads of baby bok choy. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 8 ounces of shrimp. I've already deveined them. Yeah. It'd be nice if they did it for us, but they do not. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Three fluid ounces of spicy orange sauce. Smells good. We have 0.40 ounces of Tamari Soy Sauce. Gluten-free. Wonder if it's low sodium. Of course, I can tell you. It is non-GMO though. Whoopee! And we have 1 ounce of slivered almonds. As always, we need a pan, preferably medium size. We need a pot. We need about 5 bowls to slice and dice things. You also need a regular bowl to coat the shrimp with cornstarch, salt and pepper. Let me zoom out. There we go. We have some olive oil, measuring cup, and your favorite knife. I'm going to rinse the produce and be right. First up, we're going to add some water, about 1/2 cups, a pinch of salt, and the rice, and bring it to a boil. And then let it boil for about 15 minutes on a simmer. Right now we're going to reduce to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes. Here's what we're doing. We're going to mince the garlic as always. We're going to cut the green onions on an angle and keep the greens and the whites separate. We're going to coarsely chop the leaves and then cut the stems in 1/4 inch pieces. Pretty simple. Alright, so now the rice is all ready. We're just going to fluff it a little bit, shut the heat off, recover so it stays nice and warm, and take it off the burner. Next up, we're going to start cooking the veggies. Add a little oil. And we're going to start up with the bok choy stems. I'm going to char them a little bit for about 4 to 5 minutes. I want to make sure the pan is nice and hot. Get it sizzle. Be right back. And now we're going to pat the shrimp dry and then coat with the cornstarch. Alright, so we have lightly charred stems. We're now going to add the green portions, not the green, the white portions of the green onions, Matchstick Carrots, and the green portions of the leaf portions of the bok choy. Cook this for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. Alright, so the veggies are done. We're now going to add a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, some more salt for good luck. Mix that together and add it then to a plate. So readjust, there you go. You see what I'm doing hopefully? Now we're just going to add it to a plate. With the veggies out, we're now going to prep for the shrimp. Add some oil to the pan after you wipe it clean. Shouldn't take that long to spread. It's already hot. Be very careful, it is hot. And we're going to cook the shrimp and toss for a few minutes, about 4 minutes. It's preferable if they're all on one level. That's why you should use a medium to large pan. Again, if you're using Home Chef or any of the meal companies, they use small shrimp, so you might be able to get by with a small pan. This is a medium size, so should be fine. I'm going to flip halfway. So always be careful because it's hot. Alright, doing pretty well. We have about 2 minutes left. Then we're going to add the sauces and we're almost done. Now we're going to add the garlic. Cook that for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now we're going to add the spicy orange sauce and the soy sauce. And now we're done. We're going to now plate the fish. Here we go. First up, the rice. Flush it up. Oops. I'm going to fluff it a little bit. I'm going to make a nice little cup of rice, I guess. Just push it into the cup. Push it down. Very simple to do. Doing date night or something like that, look kind of cool. And voila. Now we're going to take some of the veggies, add that around. and some of the orange shrimp, orange garlic shrimp. So add that around the top part. Then stunt it a little bit more, making. There we go. Add some of the green onions and some of the sliced almonds. Voila. There we go. Stay tuned for the guys. Delicious meal. It tasted just like any type of Asian cuisine for the orange garlic shrimp, similar to a P.F. Chang's in the United States, and I'm sure there are other brands all over the world. But spot on, delicious, filling, can't go wrong. There's not one thing I change about it. Well, there's one thing. If you're gonna make this on your own and not through Home Chef, get bigger shrimp. It'll taste delicious. Aside from that, great meal. I definitely make it again. The guys who put up the meal from Home Chef, they knocked it out of the park. And that's everything. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you've not subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe. And if you like my other videos, please smash those like buttons as well. Questions, comments, concerns, refunds, comment below, message me directly on social media. Until next time, keep cooking.